Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making roasted beetroots. Very healthy and nutritious recipe. Peel the beetroots and chop them like shown in the picture in the cubes. Now add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to the pan and add the beetroots and saute. You can definitely use any other oil if you don't have avocado oil. Now add black seeds and half teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne pepper. Go ahead and add these nutritious sesame seeds and look at the color, it looks so beautiful. Now cook it properly and evenly, saute it. Please don't add any salt to this recipe because sweetness of avocado is enough. I have added 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can do the same thing. And now we have garnished it with more of sesame seeds and enjoy this recipe. Cook for health.